First things first, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven heats up, grab a baking dish and lightly grease it with butter or cooking spray. This prevents our delicious fish from sticking to the dish. Next, place 4 cod fillets, each weighing between 6 to 8 ounces, in the prepared baking dish. Now, it's time to create the star of the show, the lemon garlic butter. In a mixing bowl, combine the zest and juice of 2 lemons, 4 minced cloves of garlic, and 4 tablespoons of melted, unsalted butter. This zesty, garlicky, buttery mixture is going to give our cod a flavor that's truly out of this world. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can add a 1/4 cup of white wine to the mixture for an extra kick. Once your mixture is ready, pour it generously over the cod fillets. Make sure every inch of the fish is covered with this flavorful concoction. Now season the fish with salt and black pepper to taste. Cover the baking dish with foil, pop it in the oven, and bake for 15 to 20 minutes. You'll know it's done when the fish is opaque and flakes easily with a fork. But we're not done yet. For a beautiful, lightly browned top, remove the foil and broil the fish for an additional 2 to 3 minutes. Finally, garnish the cod with chopped fresh parsley and lemon slices for a vibrant pop of color and an extra burst of flavor. And there you have it, the lemon garlic butter baked cod. It's tangy, it's savory, it's buttery, and it's unbelievably delicious. Whether you're whipping up a quick weeknight dinner or preparing a special meal for a special occasion, this dish is sure to impress. Enjoy!